Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust page margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and see this page margin, left and right margin, see this narrow, and this page margin wider, and this page margin also wider, and this page margin. First let us check this page margin. Now select file option and select page setup option, and page margin, see this. Now I'll make all of this page margin this size 2.5 top and bottom and left 1.5. Now I'll select whole document and see this. All of this are removed. Now I'll add 2.5 and also add 2.5 and left and right and choose 1.5, 1.5. Now select OK and see this. All of this page margin are now saved. This is. In this way you can adjust all of this page margin. Also you can change on page margin. Now I'll change only on this page margin. File option, this setup. I'll choose here 2, 2 and select OK and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.